Did you know that a shrimp's heart is in its head? Isn't that a head scratcher? Now let's dive into a sea of knowledge and fun. Imagine a world where animals could talk. What do you think a chatty chameleon or a gossiping gorilla would say? Pause for a moment, think about it, and keep that funny conversation in your mind. Ever wonder why the sky appears blue and not pink, green, or maybe polka-dotted? Well, it has something to do with how sunlight interacts with our atmosphere. Sounds a bit complicated, doesn't it? But think about it like this. When the sun throws a party, the blue light always hits the dance floor first. And so, the sky appears blue to us. Now, have you ever tried standing on one foot? It's pretty tough, isn't it? But did you know there's a bird that sleeps on one foot? Yes, you heard it right. Flamingos sleep on one foot. Can you guess why? It's because standing on one foot helps them conserve more body heat and keeps them warm. Moving on to the world of plants. Ever thought about how plants eat? They don't have mouths, so they can't munch on a burger or sip a milkshake, can they? But guess what? They make their food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. It's like cooking, but with sunlight instead of a stove. Now, before we wrap up, remember the funny conversation you thought of at the beginning? What do you think a plant or a flamingo would say if they could talk? Maybe the plant would say, "I love sunbathing." And the flamingo might say, "I'm a one-leg sleeping champion." So today we've learned why the sky is blue, how flamingos sleep, and how plants eat. Knowledge is like a deep sea, and we are like divers exploring its depths. Remember, every question you ask is a step towards learning something new. Always keep your curiosity alive. And here's one last fun fact for the road. Did you know that a snail can sleep for 3 years? Imagine that, 3 years of sweet dreams. Now that's something to think about. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to have fun along the way.